Numbers. Chapter 26. Now after the plague Jehovah spoke to Moses and to Eleazar the son of Aaron the priest, saying, Take the sum of the whole assembly of the children of Israel, from 20 years old and upward, by their fathers' households, all who are able to go forth for military service in Israel. So Moses and Eleazar the priest spoke with them in the plains of Moab by the Jordan at Jericho, saying, Take the sum of the people, from 20 years old and upward, as Jehovah commanded Moses. Now the children of Israel, who came forth out of the land of Egypt were Reuben, the firstborn of Israel, the sons of Reuben, of Hanoch, the family of the Hanochites, of Pallu, the family of the Palluites. Of Hezron, the family of the Hezronites, of Carmi, the family of the Carmites. These are the families of the Reubenites, and those who were numbered of them were 43,730. And the sons of Pallu, Eliab. And the sons of Eliab, Nemuel and Dathan and Abram. These are the Dathan and Abram, who were called by the assembly, who contended against Moses and against Aaron in the company of Korah, when they contended against Jehovah. And the earth opened its mouth and swallowed them up together with Korah, when that company died, when the fire consumed 250 men, and they became a sign. But the sons of Korah did not die. The sons of Simeon according to their families, of Nemuel, the family of the Nemuelites, of Jamin, the family of the Jaminites, of Jachin, the family of the Jachinites. Of Zerah, the family of the Zerahites, of Shaul, the family of the Shaulites. These are the families of the Simonites, 22,200. The sons of Gad according to their families, of Zephon, the family of the Zephonites, of Haggi, the family of the Haggites, of Shuni, the family of the Shunites. Of Ozni, the family of the Oznites, of Eri, the family of the Erites. Of Arad, the family of the Aradites, of Areli, the family of the Arelites. These are the families of the sons of Gad according to those who were numbered of them, 40,500. The sons of Judah, Er and Onan, but Er and Onan died in the land of Canaan. And the sons of Judah according to their families were, of Shelah, the family of the Shelonites, of Perez, the family of the Perizzites, of Zerah, the family of the Zerahites. And the sons of Perez were, of Hezron, the family of the Hezronites, of Hamul, the family of the Hamulites. These are the families of Judah according to those who were numbered of them, 76,500. The sons of Issachar according to their families, of Tola, the family of the Tolaites, of Puvah, the family of the Punites. Of Jashub, the family of the Jashubites, of Shimron, the family of the Shimronites. These are the families of Issachar according to those who were numbered of them, 64,300. The sons of Zebulun according to their families, of Sered, the family of the Seredites, of Elon, the family of the Elonites, of Yaleel, the family of the Jaleelites. These are the families of the Zebulunites according to those who were numbered of them, 60,500. The sons of Joseph according to their families, Manasseh and Ephraim. The sons of Manasseh, of Machir, the family of the Machirites, and Machir begot Gilead, of Gilead, the family of the Gileadites. These are the sons of Gilead, of Ezer, the family of the Ezerites, of Helek, the family of the Helekites. And of Israel, the family of the Azraelites, and of Shechem, the family of the Shechemites. And of Shemida, the family of the Shemidates, and of Hepher, the family of the Hepherites. Now Zelophehad the son of Hepher had no sons, but daughters, and the names of the daughters of Zelophehad were Mahlah and Noah, Hoglah, Milcah, and Tirzah. These are the families of Manasseh, and those who were numbered of them were 52,700. These are the sons of Ephraim according to their families, of Shuthelah, the family of the Shuthelahites, of Becher, the family of the Becherites, of Tahan, the family of the Tahanites. And these are the sons of Shuthelah, of Aaron, the family of the Aaronites. These are the families of the sons of Ephraim according to those who were numbered of them, 32,500. These are the sons of Joseph according to their families. The sons of Benjamin according to their families, of Bela, the family of the Belites, of Ashbel, the family of the Ashbelites, of Ahiram, the family of the Ahiramites. Of Shephapham, the family of the Shephamites, of Hupham, the family of the Huphamites. And the sons of Bela were Ard and Naaman, of Ard, the family of the Ardites, of Naaman, the family of the Naamites. These are the sons of Benjamin according to their families, and those who were numbered of them were 45,600. These are the sons of Dan according to their families, of Shuham, the family of the Shuhamites. These are the families of Dan according to their families. All the families of the Shuhamites, according to those who were numbered of them, were 64,400. The sons of Asher according to their families, of Imnah, the family of the Imnites, of Ishvi, the family of the Ishvites, of Beriah, the family of the Berites. From the sons of Beriah, of Heber, the family of the Heberites, of Malchiel, the family of the Malchielites. And the name of the daughter of Asher was Sarah. These are the families of the sons of Asher according to those who were numbered of them, 53,400. The sons of Naphtali according to their families, of Jahzeel, the family of the Jahzeelites, of Guni, the family of the Gunites. Of Jezer, the family of the Jezerites, of Shillem, the family of the Shillemites. These are the families of Naphtali according to their families, and those who were numbered of them were 45,400. These are those who were numbered of the children of Israel, 601,730. Then Jehovah spoke to Moses, saying, To these the land shall be divided for an inheritance according to the number of names. You shall increase the larger group's inheritance, and you shall reduce the smaller group's inheritance. Each shall be given their inheritance according to those who were numbered of them. But the land shall be apportioned by lot, they shall inherit it according to the names of the tribes of their fathers. According to the lot their inheritance shall be apportioned among the larger and the smaller groups. And these are those who were numbered of the Levites according to their families, of Gershon, the family of the Gershonites, of Kohath, the family of the Kohathites, of Merari, the family of the Merarites. These are the families of Levi, the family of the Libnites, the family of the Hebronites, the family of the Malites, the family of the Mushites, the family of the Korahites. And Kohath begot Amram. And the name of Amram's wife was Jochebed, the daughter of Levi, who was born to Levi in Egypt, and she bore to Amram Aaron and Moses and their sister Miriam. And to Aaron were born Nadab and Abihu, Eleazar and Ithamar. And Nadab and Abihu died when they offered strange fire before Jehovah. And those who were numbered of them were 23,000, every male from a month old and upward, for they were not numbered among the children of Israel, because no inheritance was given to them among the children of Israel. These are those who were numbered by Moses and Eleazar the priest, who numbered the children of Israel in the plains of Moab by the Jordan at Jericho. But among these there was not one of those numbered by Moses and Aaron the priest, who numbered the children of Israel in the wilderness of Sinai. For Jehovah had said of them, They shall surely die in the wilderness. And not one of them was left, except Caleb the son of Jephunneh and Joshua the son of Nun. Numbers. Chapter 27. Then the daughters of Zelophehad the son of Hepher, the son of Gilead, the son of Machir, the son of Manasseh, of the families of Manasseh the son of Joseph came near. And these are the names of his daughters, Mahlah, Noah, and Hoglah, and Milcah and Tirzah. And they stood before Moses and before Eleazar the priest and before the leaders and the whole assembly at the entrance of the tent of meeting, saying, Our father died in the wilderness, and he was not among the company of those who gathered themselves together against Jehovah in the company of Korah, but he died in his own sin, and he had no sons. Why should our father's name be taken away from among his family because he had no son? Give us a possession among our father's brothers. And Moses brought their case before Jehovah. Then Jehovah spoke to Moses, saying, The daughters of Zelophehad speak rightly. You shall surely give them the possession of an inheritance among their father's brothers, and you shall cause the inheritance of their father to pass to them. And you shall speak to the children of Israel, saying, If a man dies and has no son, then you shall cause his inheritance to pass to his daughter. And if he does not have a daughter, then you shall give his inheritance to his brothers. And if he has no brothers, then you shall give his inheritance to his father's brothers. And if his father has no brothers, then you shall give his inheritance to his relative nearest to him among his family, and he shall possess it. And it shall be a statute of judgment for the children of Israel, as Jehovah commanded Moses. And Jehovah said to Moses, Go up to this mountain of the Abram and see the land which I have given to the children of Israel. And when you have seen it, you also shall be gathered to your people, just as Aaron your brother was gathered. Because you rebelled against my word in the wilderness of Zin, in the strife of the assembly, and failed to sanctify me at the waters before their eyes. These are the waters of Meribah Kadesh, in the wilderness of Zin. And Moses spoke to Jehovah, saying, Let Jehovah, the God of the spirits of all flesh, appoint a man over the assembly. Who will go out before them and who will come in before them, and who will lead them out and who will bring them in, so that the assembly of Jehovah will not be like sheep which have no shepherd. And Jehovah said to Moses, Take Joshua the son of Nun, a man in whom is the Spirit, and lay your hand upon him. And set him before Eleazar the priest and before the whole assembly, and give him a charge in their sight. And you shall put some of your honor upon him, so that the whole assembly of the children of Israel may obey him. And he shall stand before Eleazar the priest, and he shall inquire for him by the judgment of the Urim before Jehovah. At his word shall they go out and at his word they shall come in, both he and all the children of Israel with him, even the whole assembly. And Moses did as Jehovah commanded him, and he took Joshua and set him before Eleazar the priest and before the whole assembly. And he laid his hands upon him and gave him a charge just as Jehovah had spoken through Moses.